Why do some HVAC repairs require multiple visits? Some heating, ventilation, and air conditioning repairs need multiple visits because the technician must diagnose the problem, get the correct parts, and safely test the system afterward. A technician usually begins by checking symptoms, wiring, controls, airflow, refrigerant levels, and safety switches. Sometimes one failed part causes another part to behave strangely, so the first visit is used to find the real cause instead of guessing. If a special motor, circuit board, sensor, or refrigerant is needed, the technician may have to order it because it is not stored in the service vehicle. Some repairs also require approval from the equipment maker or a licensed specialist. Refrigerant work can take extra time because the leak must be found, repaired, and tested before the system is charged again. A useful fact is that a system may appear fixed while still having a hidden airflow problem, such as a blocked filter, crushed duct, or dirty indoor coil. After the repair, the technician should measure temperatures, electrical readings, airflow, and safety operation because these tests show whether the system is truly working. You can help by recording unusual sounds, error messages, and when the problem happens, then keeping the work area clear for each visit. A common mistake is replacing the first part that looks damaged without checking what caused it, so ask the technician to explain the root cause. Another mistake is assuming a new part will immediately solve poor cooling or heating, when dirty coils, weak airflow, or duct leaks may still need attention, so request performance measurements. People also sometimes keep running a system that smells burnt, trips breakers, or leaks water, which can increase damage, so turn it off and call for service when those warning signs appear. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.